Hey everybody, it is the Great Oasis here, back with another amazing project. Come on, let's check out what we got. All right, so here's kind of the plan for today. Hey guys, we are back at it, wrapping up for the end of the day. The skies cleared up and we were able to get a lot of work done. So come along, let's see what we got done.
We got a little channel carved out for our stream area here. We've got some of the rock work done, made a big old hole, put our reservoir in there, got all the aqua blocks and that goodies. And then following up here, we have even a little bridge that'll be in the middle here, of more like a stepping stone, I guess. But yeah, this whole backyard is coming together and I can't wait to show you guys the finished product.
about the love and all the things we had. We are up, we are down, but we're never giving up. A girl is on the way and find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. Now you love me is a power. Stay here.